Hello there. So we are once again going to go to stemscopes website, which is titled acceleratelearning.com. And on the website, there's 3 activities. You're going to do Science Today, watch it. The other one's called Reading Science A. And then the final task is called Math Connections. And those same assignments are right here. They're at the top. When you open up your page, you may find that there's 2 of each. I don't know why that is. I don't know why it says Science Today, and there's 2 of them, or Science A, 2 of them. There's only 1 Math Connections, but you just click on one of them to do for both the Science Today and the Reading Science. Alright, just to quickly take a glance at it, for Science Today, Science Today, watch it. You simply watch this video that's right here, let it load and play, and then you respond to the different questions below. Simple enough, right? You just read into what the information is from the video, and then it's just asking you questions for review on it. Simple enough. For Reading Science A, it's the same idea. You have an article to read through. So it's about waves, ocean waves, and it is not just talking about ocean waves, but generally it's talking about the parts of a wave and how we describe waves, their amplitude, wavelength, their frequency. It also tells you different units of measurement scientists use to describe certain things, like the frequency. As you read through here, each section, do your best to remember the information, or you can just go back and forth and reread it as you need based on the questions you find at the bottom. Such as, it says, what is the main point of paragraph 3? So you'd read through paragraph 3, whatever you think the main point is, you'd share it. Alright, can't scroll down any further because the answers are there. I don't want you to have too easy of a time. Alright, the third and final one is called Math Connections. Math Connections is a similar issue. I can't show you all the different questions, but we can just talk about the fact that it wants you to practice a little bit of algebra. It reviews some of the measurements or the ways we describe waves over distance and time. And then it wants you to, it shows you some of the units for certain things, like wavelength is use this symbol. If you're talking about frequency, you use F, etc. And then you'll come and it'll just give you simple, real simple equations or formulas here to manipulate. In this example, it wants you to solve for frequency. So what would that look like? If you're solving for frequency, how would you isolate the F variable? That basically means how do you isolate the F and get the F on one side, and then the other numbers or variables on the other side by together. So how would you basically get F equals, and then in this case it would be 1 over T. Wait, no, just be T. F equals 1 over T, yeah. How would you set this up to get the F by itself, or F equals 1 over T? You can see there's other questions here. A speaker vibrates at 150 Hertz. What is the period? And based on here, it says period is the time in seconds required for 1 complete wave cycle. So study it, see how you do. I'm here to help. I don't want to give you too much information because I want you to try to think hard and difficult about it. But try your best and ask me when you need help. Alright, that's the 3 assignments. Just to review, it's Science Today, watch it, Reading Science A, and Math Connections. Alright, good luck.